Okay, we have our healthy nutrient cycle for the tropical rainforest. So you should have read just further up the web page the information beside this diagram, but I'm just going to walk you through it again. So we have our precipitation and our sunlight for photosynthesis, which is our inputs coming into the nutrient cycle. Precipitation, just to recap, is another word for rainfall or snow, but in the tropical rainforest it would be rainfall. We have oxygen and evapotranspiration coming out. So what happens in the nutrient cycle? So we have trees are intercepting rainfall by their leaves and they are protecting the forest floor. The leaves naturally will fall to the forest floor when they start to die off, and fungi and bacteria rapidly break down this litter, what we call the leaf fall, into humus. This means that more nutrients are added to the soil, and this takes about 6 months. Very few nutrients are lost through leaching. Leaching is just another word for when nutrients are lost through water flowing through the soil. Is called leaching when the nutrients are removed. Nutrients are added to the soil. Food is then absorbed by plant roots, and then we have our healthy nutrient cycle. So this is what happens when it's not disturbed. If we compare it to the nutrient cycle after deforestation when trees are removed. So we have less moisture in the air, less precipitation, less oxygen, less evapotranspiration. So when we have deforestation, no leaves are returned to the ground, so then there's no organic matter, no humus is replaced, fewer nutrients are returned to the soil. Because there is not the leaves on the trees to protect the water on the forest floor, there's a rapid loss of nutrients by leaching. There's then few nutrients for plant use, and then we have very poor vegetation. What I would like you to do is look at task 3. First of all, copy the diagram into your workbook or the worksheet. Describe the changes which take place to the nutrient cycle after deforestation. So you're describing this diagram. To maintain a perfect balance, the water and nutrient cycle rely on each other. If the nutrient cycle is damaged, what happens to the water cycle in the tropical rainforest? So have a little think about that. If there's no leaves on the trees, if there's few nutrients for plants to use, what's going to happen to the water cycle? Have a think about that.